Turkish cuisine is one of the leading tastes of the world. In a typical Turkish restaurant, bread is not served and fried since it is served fresh. Butter and ketchup service is also not served since fat and tomato paste is used abundantly in meals. Various vegetables with lamb, mutton or veal are the main dishes. Rice, pastry varieties, bulgur, dry beans, vegetables with rich olive oil are served as side meals. It is found in special kebab shops which are liked by meatballs and shish kebabs, doner kebabs or other varieties of spicy yogurt and eggplant. The genuine taste of those desserts, baklava, kadayıf and the like is obtained from small shops that have been doing this for several generations. Since there is a ban on fishing in May-September, it is necessary to taste the freshness of delicious fish unique to Istanbul in the other months. Fast foods, many places that provide fast snack service are also derived. But delicious local mantı. It is the favorite dish of people who even visited many places and tasted many different dishes. Garlic yogurt on it, sauce with tomato paste on it, is the name of harmony. Lahmacun. With ayran, it's a kind of drink made of yogurt and water. You can say no to lahmacun with lots of onions and parsley in it. You can eat it in kebab shops on the street. Baklava. Baklava, which is indispensable for the feasts, the only address of sincerity, the gift of home tours and the flavor that diabetics cannot bear in our lives for years. Some love it with walnuts, some love it with pistachio. Güllaç. Güllaç is the most consumed dessert after iftar in Ramadan. The reason is that it is quite light. The milk in it makes digestion easier and the sugar sweetens the mouth. It is one of the most traditional dishes. It is made and consumed frequently in our country. Especially, it is one of the indispensable ones for those who love milk dessert. It is from Ottoman kitchen. Stuffed peppers with olive oil may be one of the most delicious flavors our ancestors left us. It has both meat and olive oil and it has different recipes according to the regions. It has a taste that appeals to a wide audience and countries. Almost everyone loves to consume and those in foreign miss the famous wraps of their mothers. Beyti kebab. Beyti kebab is the only food that does not fall from the mouths of almost every tourist coming to our country. Making kebab is not as easy as in every mouth. It takes a bit of effort, but eventually a tremendous flavor appears. Beyti kebab is one of these great flavors. Adana and Urfa are very famous in kebab. Künefe. There is a fact that Hatay is one of our provinces with the most traditional tastes of our country. The biggest proof of this is künefe, a reputation that has spread throughout the world for years, is a flavor that makes Hatay one of the best gastronomic cities in the world. The cheese in between is elongated and not everyone can do it well. Sparkling Turkish coffee. One coffee has 14 years sake, said our elders. There was also the fearful dream of some girls asking, but there's a fact that every coffee lover has a special place. Sometimes you set up a warm environment with a Turkish delight, sometimes with a piece of chocolate. The drink of happiness. Anchovy pan. The Black Sea region's cuisine, northern Turkey, is based on corn and anchovies. Anchovy is fried in a pan with corn flour. It's very delicious and famous. Turkish Delight. A traditional yet modern taste. The most delicious proof of craftsmanship and detail, Turkish Delight. Turkish Delight, perhaps one of the most rooted and delicious members of the past, has entered our kitchens as a flavor that offers healing the throat, healing centuries ago, but today it's engraved in mind as a flavor that accompanies pleasant moments. Stay healthy. I hope you enjoy it. If you want me to introduce other cuisines, please let me know. Bye!